Still using your mouse in MS Word, you could finish your work more faster using just your keyboard. Today, I will show you MS Word A to G shortcut keys from Ctrl A to Ctrl Z, the total complete guide. So, let's begin. Here you can see I have already listed all the shortcut key from Ctrl A to Ctrl G. So let's get started. Ctrl A. When you will press Ctrl A, then you can see here it will select all the text from your document. So the Ctrl A is using for selecting the all documents. So when you want to select your entire document, then press Ctrl A. It will select your entire document instantly. Then Ctrl B. It will use for change your text style to bold. Only it will apply on the selected text. If you press Ctrl B and you will not select anything, it will do nothing. You have to select some documents and press Ctrl B to make it bold. I will select this text from here and pressing here Ctrl B, then you can see this text will be the bold format. And if you don't make it bolder, then select it again and press Ctrl B, then it will be normal. So if you want to make any text bold, then Ctrl B, and if you don't use the bold text, then select and press Ctrl B to normal. Then Ctrl C. It will copy your text from your document. Ctrl C is using for copy any text from your documents. If you want to copy some text from here, so select the text you want to copy and press Ctrl C. It will copy your selected text from this, and anywhere you can paste it. So wherever you want to paste it, then go there and press Ctrl V. Then it will paste it over here. So generally Ctrl C used for copying any text. Ctrl D. Ctrl D for the font dialog box. Here if you press the Ctrl D, then the font dialog box are open here. You can find many kinds of settings from here. You can change your font family from here. You can change your font style from here. You can change your size from here, the font color. You can apply underline style from here, and even different kinds of effect you can use from here. Strike through, double strike through, superscript, subscript, even shadow, outline, emboss, engrave, small caps, all caps, indents, all effect you can use from here. So after selecting your effects and styles from here and then click OK, it will save to your entire documents. If you selected some text from here and press Ctrl D, then it will only apply to your selected text. Here I will use some color from here, text color to red. Then click OK. It will change my selected text into red color. If you want to open your font dialog box, then press Ctrl D for opening it and give your wanted style from here. Then we will discuss for these options Ctrl E. It will align your text into center align. How it will work? If you want to align this text into center align, then select the text and press Ctrl E. It will align your text into center. So if you want text aligned to center, then select the entire text and press Ctrl E. It will align your text into center. Go the next one. Ctrl F. It will used search for a word. If you press here Ctrl F, then you can find this dialog box, find and replace dialog box, and Ctrl F means find. You can use all of these settings to finding any of your text from this. So if you want to find some text from your entire document, then click Ctrl F and type here. Even if you want to highlight some text from your documents, then you can use this dialog box. Click Ctrl plus F and type here which text you want to highlight. Then type this text here and click on these options reading highlight. Then click highlight all. Then it will highlight your all selected text. Ctrl F is used to search for a word and make highlight a word from your entire documents. Then next one is Ctrl G. It will used for go to, jump to the page, section or line. You can use these shortcuts for jump to any page, sections or line. Ctrl G and this go to dialog box will appear. Then you can go to any pages from here. You can see some options are here. You can go to any page, go to any sections, any lines, any bookmarks, any comment, wherever you want to go. So if you want to go some another pages, type it. I want to go to the 3, then press go to. It will bring me on the page number 3. If I want to go to the page number 1 again, then press here number 1 and go to, it will back into page number 1. So if you want to go to some line, you will go to any line from here. If I want to go for 12 number of lines, then press here 12 and go to, it will bring me the number 12 is here. In the same way, you can go to anywhere from using this dialog box. Then Ctrl A. It will use to find and replace text quickly. How it will work? Let's use it. Press Ctrl A and this dialog box will appear here. Then if you want to replace some text, then type here which text you want to replace and type here how it will replace. So I want to replace my control text with command. So here I press Ctrl plus A, then this dialog box will appear, find and replace dialog box. Type here which text you want to replace. So I want to replace this text control and replace with command. I want to replace control with this word command. Then click here replace all. Then you can see already 28 replacement has made. That means all of my control text is replaced with command. The same way, if you want to replace this command with the control, type here control. Then type here command, which text you want to replace, type here, and how to replace this text, type here. So it will replace command text will replace this word control. So type here and click replace all. Then it will already 28 replacements has made. So it will replace again all of my command into control text. Next one is Ctrl I. What is Ctrl I? It will make your selected text into italic. So select any text from your document and press Ctrl I, and instantly you can see it will make it the italic form. If you don't want to, then press again Ctrl I and it will go to normal font. The next one is Ctrl Z. It will apply justify alignment to your text. And how it is? Select some text, which text you want to apply the justify alignment. Select the text from here and press Ctrl J. It will align your text into one line. You can see this change from here. Select your text and press Ctrl J. It will apply justify alignment onto your text. And press Ctrl J. You see it will align your text into one line. If you don't want to, then press again Ctrl J and it will go back to normal. Then let's go for the next one. It's Ctrl K. Ctrl K is using for insert hyperlink on your text. And how it will work? Let's try. Select any text from your document and press Ctrl K. Then this hyperlink window appear. Then you can make this text into hyperlink. You can